Hello Stampers, this is Kelly Acheson at stampinUp.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Today I'm going to make a card using this wonderful half-full stamp set. This is on our retirement list, so it's only going to be guaranteed until May 24th. But I have absolutely loved this set, and I've had a really good time creating cards with it. And of course, it's perfect for all my wine drinking friends and my mom because she loves wine too. I actually made her a birthday card with this stamp set. And today I'm going to use it for the Color Fusers blog hop. We have been challenged today with a color palette of Grapefruit Grove, Pear Pizzazz, and Night of Navy. Interesting color combination, right? I always find this to be my most challenging challenge of the month. Let's get started and I'll show you what I came up with. I'm going to bring in my cardstock layers. I have a card base that is Grapefruit Grove. This is 4 1/4 by 11. I've scored it at 5 1/2. Then I've got a scrap of Pear Pizzazz, a scrap of Night of Navy, an inside layer of Whisper White that's 5 1/4 by 4, a scrap of Whisper White, and then I decided to bring in some of our vellum cardstock, so I needed a scrap of that also. And we're going to decorate our envelope. First thing I'm going to do here is burnish the edge of my card. And then we're going to stamp some wine glasses in the Grapefruit Grove ink. And I just decided that I wanted to add them all across the bottom of the front of my card. Cute, right? Easy peasy. Next we're going to bring in our scraps here. Our Whisper White scrap was perfect for my greeting. And I'm going to stamp that in Night of Navy. Oops, I see I've got some, oh look at, I stuck my finger right in the ink pad. Well, I just washed my chamois, so get my finger cleaned off there. It's good for cleaning fingers too. Did you know that? There we go. Love the font on this. And again, I used Night of Navy for that. Here comes our tailored tag punch. I'm just going to punch out that greeting. Then I'm going to bring in the Night of Navy and punch one of those out also. Now you guys have, if you follow me, you've seen me do this before. I love putting a border of color under my tailored tag white layer. So I'm just going to take a little bit of liquid glue and run it on both of these pieces. You can see I just cut them in half. And then I'm going to bring in my Whisper White layer and make sure that the border is even on the top and the same on the bottom. I just find this is the easiest way for me to do that. Excellent. Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of here because we need to pop this up. Why wouldn't we? It's just going to add some neat dimension to our card. And then our scrap of Pear Pizzazz, I'm going to take the leaf punch and we're going to punch one of those out and a vellum cardstock leaf. Now here comes our card. There were a whole bunch of ideas I had with this card. But when I started putting them together, I came back to this very simple an easy layout. I thought, wow, that's just really kind of very clean and crisp, and I really liked it. I'm just putting a little bit of glue on my leaves here. Well, I should have stuck this down first. So stick this one down first. You guys know I'm always good to show you what not to do, right? Really good at that. I'm going to kind of put this right into my glasses of wine down here, and I just thought that was kind of an interesting look. And then I've got glue on my leaves, and I'm going to kind of leave them, whoops, offset like that. Turn them over so the glue is going onto my cardstock. You can kind of, oh, I think I've got them stuck together here. Oh, I wanted this one on the bottom. See, I told you, I'm really good at showing you what not to do. Put your vellum one down first. I don't know. It's your card. You do what you want, but I just thought that looked better. Okay. This is the front of our card. It's just that simple. Now, for the inside, we've got the best wines are the one we drink with friends. And then I'm going to come in with the Night of Navy ink again, and I'm going to stamp right in the middle here. May your glass always be half full. And then I've got this glass of wine that I'm stamping in the Pear Pizzazz, and I have met all of my color requirements for the Color Fusers Blog Hop Color Challenge. And we're going to add this to the inside of the card. Now, if you have any wine drinking friends, this is a great card to make for them. It's very clean and crisp. Didn't take me a lot of time to do it. What are we going to do to our envelope? Well, I love the big tag that's included in this stamp set. So I decided that that would look really neat on the front of my envelope. I can address my card here, put my return address up here, and we have a great card to send out to a friend. Wasn't that quick and easy? Like, I don't know if I've even done a video this short before. All right, you guys, if you would like to get your hands on this half full stamp set, again, it is retiring. It is guaranteed to be available and in stock until May 24th. Hop on over to my blog right here. You can click right up here in the top right corner. That'll take you right there. You are going to use this host code with your order if it's under $150. If it's over $150, don't use the host code. You're going to get Stampin' Rewards. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post a comment under my blog or my YouTube video. When you click in the description under the YouTube video, you can see a direct link to this particular project, which will have all the dimensions and a product list that is clickable. You can click on the punch and it'll take you right to my store to the punch. It's pretty cool. Don't forget to click down here to subscribe. Make sure you go back to my blog to join the Color Fusers blog hop and see what everybody else made with Grapefruit Grove, Night of Navy, and Pear Pizzazz. Have yourselves a wonderful Monday. Bye-bye.